guys, this is Roger. Hey, I'm running my new Jin machine hit and miss engine. Received it yesterday and couldn't wait to get it running, just did. Believe it or not, it started on the first spin of the flywheel. And I attribute part of that to some advice from Bruce of St. Paul Steam. Made sure that the fuel line was bubble free, working the fuel through it. Set a little mark on the throttle screw and closed it, then opened it about 2/3 of, no, I should say half of a turn. And that was more than enough. Started right up and running ever since. One thing you don't want to do is wear a white shirt. I don't know if you can see that, but I probably over-oiled it and it's flinging oil everywhere. But I'm a happy camper. I'm running it on 10 cc's of Zippo lighter fluid, added to 2 cc's of Marvel mystery oil. I set those up in a small syringe, shook it until it was uniform pink because the Marvel mystery oil makes it pink in color. Then I squirt it in the gas tank and never looked back. I've probably got about 20 minutes total run time on this, and it's still working off that initial 12 cc's of fuel. So, boy, you can't beat that. Notice this little switch here. It has to be switched to that way, toward the gear train, I should say, in order for it to start. And I put 3 Penlight or AA batteries in it, and there it goes. If this was dark, right here, you can see the coolest little spark every time it fires. So it's a miniature hit and miss engine, and it runs great. Couldn't be happier. Take care.